More forward?
No. You were good. Yeah, you'll be all right. Good shot. Just keep that weight on your left foot.
I'm nervous.
You'll be all right.
Saying gently squeeze the trigger.
That might be best. Just kind of push it in a little bit so that way it doesn't hit the bone, okay? Because that'll kind of hurt. But this thing has pretty low recoil as it is, so as long as you lean into the shot and then put your weight into this foot, you should be okay.
Nice. How was it?
It's heavy.
All right, now, like I told you with the bolt, pull it back.
Huh?
Pull that bolt back.
Oh.
Yep, just go ahead and make sure it's, of course, in a safe position, which you are.
Okay.
Turn it here, pull back, push forward. There you go.
Oh.
Yep, just, yeah, I might have to give it a little. There you go.
There you go.
Perfect.
Good job.
It's heavy.
Because they need for the
Take a
axe.
break for a sec.
Okay.